something a bit different today. Thought I'd do an unboxing video. I got these are the manifolds for the twin turbos. So this is from Hellsteel. Not sponsored, paid for it. Yeah, let's have a look. Yeah, got a t-shirt, and I've got this is the oil filter relocation, and this goes on top of the sump. Normally there's a sensor there for your oil level sensor, whatever. So this replaces that. So basically this becomes the turbo oil return. Some fucking and then the oil relocation. Oh, pretty sweet. Yeah. This. Yeah, it's V bands. Oh wow, have a look at that. That is fucking gorgeous. Oh wow, I'm super happy with that. Wow. That's the same for the other side. Let's not go through that unpackaging again. All right. Oh yeah. Have a look at it. Do you? It's almost too good to hide in an engine bay. Oh man, can't wait. So this is the driver's side, so it's going to sit there and the turbos come up and around the power steering. Hell yeah. Stickers, and yeah, the other side. I won't make you sit through watching me cut that one open. You get the point. But I will show you what's in these boxes. So I've got two of these. So the turbo sits there, and then the wastegate sits something like that, and then that'll plumb back down into the downpipe. Oh, I could have given myself some more room here. And a pair of the Garrett G30-660s at the moment, because, you know, running stock internals, the 0.61 AR rear housing. Yeah, pretty excited. Get all this on, get it running. A massive job ahead of me trying to yeah, getting this all on and getting it all set up, and then get someone to get it all working, because I ain't wiring it or tuning it. Yeah, thanks for watching. Give us a like. Thanks. Something else I should probably add, this is my attempt at making log manifolds, and you can see why I decided to spend the money. Fucking worth it. Like, I'm not great at that TIG welding.